Here now we have the Kam Trilogy. This is a 3-in-1 multi-effects unit including laser, strobe and beam effects. Let's take a quick look at the back before we start to show you. Here we've got the mains input and also a mains output as well, so you can daisy chain your units together. We've got your DMX in and out on standard 3-pin XLR sockets, and up here we've got the safety on-off key and screw-in plug. Without these the unit won't work. This is all to do with your laser safety, so please make sure that when you buy one of these units you keep it safe and always have that available. The unit will not work without those both being plugged in. Here you've got your control panel, and this allows you to select which of the various functions you want to be using, and we'll run through those for you in a moment. So if we turn the unit on, you can see you've got the LED effects, which are RGBW, A, UV. So that's red, green, blue, white, amber and ultraviolet LEDs in there. We've also got some strobe lighting around the outside, and then coming out of the center panel you've got a star cluster laser. So that's the 3 different effects that can all be operated either simultaneously or independently. So if you've got full DMX control, you can actually select which ones you've got on at each time. Via the settings on the back you can select any 1 or 2 or all 3 of those effects to run together. If you've selected it to just have, say, the laser and the LEDs running, the programming inside will know which colours are being used, and it'll make sure that the colours then on the opposite light are acting to complement each other. So if the laser is on green, the green LEDs won't be showing. If the laser is on red, then you won't have the red LEDs, etc. So you've always got a really good looking show no matter what you've got it set to. Obviously sometimes people don't want to have the strobes running, so that's why we've set it so you can actually activate any 2 of the units at once. Sometimes you might not want the laser running, you might just want it with the LEDs for a little while, depending on what time of the show you're actually running that. So quick look at the back then. Let's take that out just so you can see it. So this allows you to select the individual settings, and on here we've got a number of different options for you. So you've got the ADDR, which allows you to address, set the address for DMX. You've got auto, and in that you've got 4 or 5 separate sections. So you can have the 6-color LED derby effect on autoplay. You can have auto 2, which is the white LED autoplay. You have auto 3, which is just the laser on autoplay. Or you can have Alt 4, which gives you all effects on autoplay. SPEE selects the speed of autoplay, and you've got from 1, which is very slow, right through to 99, which is very fast. You've then got different sound activation modes. So if you go into SOUN, then you can select various effects from that, from 1, 2, 3 or 4. And you've also got then the sensitivity selection on there, again depending on how loud your sound is or how much you want the sound to be affecting the lighting effects. Then you can select that from 1 to 55. You've also got on there version, so you know which software version you are using. So this unit can run as either a master and slave in full DMX mode, as a slave unit, or sound activated, or obviously with the auto built-in programs that we've included in the package.